In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the Australian dollar as it is realizing some further upside today. We are seeing it now up 5 out of the last 7 trading sessions. And the Australian dollar currently trading at spot 7317. So again, pushing up towards the top end of the recent range. And when you look at some of the factors, I think, contributing to the continuation of this rally, a couple of things to point to. The data points overnight coming out of Australia, I think, were a little bit stronger than anticipated, particularly the inflation one. The other data points were pretty much in line, maybe even some perception that they're a little weaker, but the inflation data did appear to come in a little bit stronger than anticipated, so I think that's helping to support the Australian dollar today. Couple that with the just the general trends in that region, as we do see some of the COVID storylines coming off a little bit, and I think that's helping to support the Australian dollar as well. The New Zealand dollar is benefiting today as well, so you're seeing pretty good strength for both those currency futures. And so I think those are some of the driving factors. Now, when you look at the general trends, we are seeing the Australian dollar trading at basically a 2-week high, regaining the selling pressure that it did see in the middle of August and pushing back up to the higher end of the range after that selling pressure and coming off basically the lows for 2021 and the lowest level going back to November of 2020. Before we did see this recent bounce here the last couple of weeks. And also I want to point out, when you look at the currency futures markets as a whole today, we are seeing the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar performing the best, or having the best performance so far today relative to the US dollar, as we're seeing that pretty much moderate day over day.